Let's make this Camellia Earbud Pouch. It holds your earbuds perfectly, and look, you can clip it to your bag. Cute and practical. I use DK cotton blend yarn and a 2.5mm hook. Start with a magic ring. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, chain 2 to start. The starting chain doesn't count. Yarn over, into the ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 double crochet made. Keep making double crochet into the ring. You should have 16 double crochet total. Finish the rest the same way. Round 1 is complete. Pull the yarn tail to tighten the ring. Slip stitch to join to the first double crochet. Chain 1 to start. This chain does not count as a stitch. In the first stitch, make 1 single crochet, then chain 3, skip 1 stitch, and in the next stitch, make 1 single crochet, chain 3, skip 1 stitch, and in the next stitch, make 1 single crochet, then chain 3, skip 1 stitch. Keep repeating this pattern all the way around. Finish the last repeat, then slip stitch to the first single crochet. Chain 1 to start the next round. In the first chain space, make 1 single crochet. In the next chain space, make 7 double crochet. In the next chain space, make 1 single crochet. Next space, 7 double crochet. Repeat 1 single crochet, 7 double crochet for 4 sets. Then slip stitch to the first single crochet. Chain 2. Round 4, back post single crochet into the round 2 single crochets. Insert your hook from the back. Yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through both loops. That's 1 back post single crochet. Now chain 4. At the next single crochet, make 1 back post single crochet. Chain 4 again. Repeat this pattern around. When you reach the end, slip stitch to the first back post single crochet. Now we're moving on to round 5. In the first chain space, make 1 single crochet. In the next chain 4 space, make 8 double crochet. Round 5 repeats 1 single crochet, then 8 double crochet. You'll make 4 repeats total. Finish the other 3 repeats the same way. Slip stitch to the first single crochet to join. Chain 2. For round 6, work back post single crochet into round 4. Same stitch as before. Chain 4. Then back post single crochet into the next one, and chain 4 again. Chain 4. Repeat this pattern around. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Now we're on round 7. For round 7, we'll work into the chain spaces. Slip stitch over to the first space. Chain 1 to start, and make 1 single crochet in the same space. Chain 1. Then make 6 double crochet. chain 1, then 1 single crochet. That's 1 repeat. Make 8 repeats total. Work into each chain space as you go. Let me show it one more time. Single crochet, chain 1, 6 double crochet. Chain 1, then 1 single crochet. That's the second repeat. Continue until you have 8 repeats total. Slip stitch to the first single crochet to join. Chain 3. Now for round 8. Find the center between those 6 double crochet, right in that middle gap. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, then make 1 single crochet, chain 5. In the next center gap, between the next 6 double crochet, make 1 single crochet. Chain 5 again. Repeat this pattern all the way around. Join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now grab your green yarn, insert into the chain space next to the join, right beside that slip stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Chain 2 to start. Then make 3 double crochet in the same space. Crochet over the tail as you go. Chain 2. Then 3 more double crochet in the same space. Now, we'll repeat this around. Next space, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Keep repeating this pattern for 8 repeats total. Finish with a slip stitch into the first double crochet, chain 1, and cut the yarn. Round 10 goes into that chain 2 space. Insert your hook there, and switch yarn. Chain 1 to start, then make 1 single crochet in the same spot. Between the 2 clusters, in that center spot, make 7 treble crochet. Yarn over twice, insert, pull up a loop, then pull through 2 at a time. 3 times, that makes 1 treble crochet. Keep going in the same spot, and make 6 more treble crochet. That completes 7 treble crochet. Now do 1 single crochet. That's 1 set. 7 treble crochet. Repeat for 8 sets total. Then finish the round the same way. Join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. Chain 6 to make the button loop. Slip stitch in the same spot again to secure it. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Pull the tail through to the back. Weave in a few stitches, then trim the tail, and the front piece is finished. Now let's make the back piece with a magic ring. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, chain 2 to start. This starting chain does not count as a stitch. Now make 14 double crochet into the ring. You should have 14 double crochet. Slip stitch to the first double crochet to join. Chain 2 to start. From here on, slip stitch and chain to join each round. I won't repeat it. Round 2. Make 2 double crochet in each stitch around. In the first stitch, right where you joined. Lay the yarn tail over your hook, in the first stitch, right where you joined. Finish the rest of this round the same way. Round 3. In the first stitch, make 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, make a double crochet increase. That means 2 double crochet in 1 stitch. 1 double crochet. Then a double crochet increase is 1 repeat. Repeat that 14 times total. 1 double crochet. Then a double crochet increase in the next stitch. That's the second repeat. Keep going with the same pattern. to finish the round. For round 5, chain 1 to start. In the first stitch, make 1 single crochet, skip 2 stitches, and in the next stitch, make 7 treble crochet. Yarn over twice to start each treble. Now skip 3 stitches. In the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. Now just repeat that same pattern, skip 2 stitches, 7 treble crochet, skip 3 stitches, then 1 single crochet. Repeat this around, and finish the round. Slip stitch to join to the first single crochet. Chain 45 for the strap. This will be the hanging loop. Slip stitch back into the same spot to secure it. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Weave in the tail to finish. Place the 2 pieces wrong sides together. Sew them stitch by stitch. Leave the 2 middle petals open. Start from the next petal, through the back loops, and sew through the back loops on both sides. Sew stitch to stitch, and that's it. Our earbud pouch is finished.